We just bought a Feit Electric grow light. Light intensity of 53, wattage 32 watts, 25,000 hours of life, and it has the red light, blue light, and white light, all for different growth stages. And it comes with everything you need to mount it. It comes with a couple screws. It's actually lightweight, so you can put the screws in the wall or on the bottom of a shelf for the shelf below, or you can hang it from the ceiling as we did. Let's go out there and take a look at this. It comes with little eye screws that we just screw right into the ceiling, and they're tiny so they don't make big holes, and it comes with a little bit of chain and some hooks, and there it is. And we got a plug in right there. This is our laundry room, so I'm going to go ahead and put our pots up here and our plants. We got a few herbs we're growing, and let's go ahead and turn the light on. There's the main power switch right here. Let's turn these off because I think I left them on. Alright, here's your main power switch. Boom. Oh no, there it goes, it's on. And you can, with this model here, it has a separate switch for each color, so you can decide whichever color you want to run, and different colors for different growth cycles, so it doesn't put off any heat. It's LEDs, so it can actually be mounted with some screws right on the top side right there, and then you put a screw in a wall or whatever, or in your shelf, and you can mount it right off of there. And then you got these two hangers right here that hooks up to the chain if you want to hang it from the roof like we did.